I'm here today to show you how you can easily get pricing on custom cut length material here in Pronto. So with Pronto, we have the saw feature here that has two set length cuts and then also a specialty saw. In both of the set length saw features, it goes ahead and provides you the quarter or half length of the material that you're requesting. So all you need to do is add your quantity and then save it to your cart in order to get return on the pricing. In addition, we have the custom specialty saw. For this, you will need to provide your quantity, also the cut length of the material that you're seeking, and you have in addition the ability to add work order instructions and tolerances to your order. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and proceed to your cart. Pronto will return pricing for you on the custom length material and either the half or quarter length material that you've requested. This can be done in addition to buying stock pieces all in a single order. Thanks for using Pronto.